Meaning of delete.
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 Delete. Delete refers to the action of removing or erasing data or information from a system or device. The result of deletion is that the selected file, document, or any other information that has been deleted will no longer be accessible or visible within the system or device. This means that the data will not be recoverable and cannot be retrieved. It is important to exercise caution when deleting files or documents, as they cannot be recovered once they have been permanently removed from the system.